Hello, sweet little learners. It's Miss Hake, and we're going to do something so much fun today in numeracy. I want you to go for a walk, and I want you to pick your favorite tree. Pick a tree that you really like. Then I want you to measure your tree around the trunk. How are you going to do that? What can we bring? What if you brought some string? Would that be a way to measure a tree? You can take the string and have your friend hold it, and you walk around the tree and then cut it. And then when you get back inside, you can see how long the string is. And you can measure it with a ruler, or you can measure it with some snap cubes, and you can see how long the tree is. What if you measured it with your hand and you counted 1, 2, 3, and you went all around the tree? There's another way to measure. Then I'm wondering if you can find a piece of tree that's been cut down, an end of a tree. Do you see these rings? There's rings in the tree. Do you remember mine's on from yesterday? How to count how old your tree is to count the rings. This tree is definitely older than 1. It's definitely older than 2. I wonder how many years old it is. I'm going to have to count the rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 years old this tree was. Very cool. And somebody repurposed it, reused it, and now it's a charcuterie board or a board for cheese and crackers. Isn't that cool? Anyway, so 2 things. Go and measure around a tree today. Figure out which one's your favorite. And maybe you can find a log on the ground, and you can start counting how old the tree was by counting the rings. Super cool. All right, have lots of fun, and I'll see you soon.